Well, I did not mean to click go live immediately, but that was just incredible. Alright, we don't need to watch that. Editor, which is me, skip to when oh. I ain't paying $24! Alright. Let's do it! I think I can afford him now. Hang on. Ah! That's why I was saving my thing. Hello! Alright. We going to do it. I remember, I never forget a face. A face. Yeah, a face. I mean a person in my life. Alright, let's do it. Yeah. Oh my god, this is boo grades. Ooh, a drop package for me. Perhaps it is full of cookies. Sorry, I don't. 7 missions completed. 7 days. Alright, nice seeing you. Bye. What, 12? What, 12? Soran. Right. Yo. We're gonna do it. What kind of costume? I think we can do this one. Let's see if we can do it. I would like it on the record, I did not miss the one rock. The game decided it didn't want me to hit it. Why is there fart clouds around me? Yes. And gonna skip the bear one. All right. I guess as long as I take the other ones, I guess that one doesn't want to be included. He's a little ducky float. Alright, I think we're gonna get into some story. Here we go. Oh, what?
What a bustling city. There's so many cookies and so many busy shops and stuff.
Oh, you must all be exhausted from the journey. Rest comes first. Let me show you to the inn I frequent when I visit these parts. Ooh. Eat dumplings. Eat noodles.
It's a shame Kimson Cookie isn't here to enjoy them with us. We should get some for takeout to take back to our rooms and share with him. Delish!
I love that word. Wouldn't that be cannibalism if you could do that? Wouldn't you just be eating yourself? Damn! Beach Dougie, you should refrain from eating too much. He just basically told her, don't get fat, bitch.
Dragon Eye Cookie, you shouldn't eat too fast. It could upset your stomach.
We need to be prepared to look for information related to the dragon. Alright. Yeah, brave, trying to speak food around. Why don't you get off my dick, alchemist? Let them enjoy the damn food.
You know, you wouldn't think this place had a history like that. It's so full of life. I can't imagine it having anything to do with this sea or having been ravaged by the ebony dragon.
You see, what's that? I heard that cookie over there say it. Let's dig it. Oh, where did my dumplings go? Thievery and fraud. I'm a shoplifting god. Shut the fuck up, you Adventure Time looking heaven ass. Excuse me, guys, I have to clear the phlegm in my throat. Thank you. Ooh, a new Sprite.
We're looking for a place called the Dragonbine Shrine, where some amazing cookies seal away the Ebony Dragon. Have you ever heard of it?
Nope.
That settles it. There must not be any dragon orbs around here. Let's learn how to steal away a dragon's power and keep going. We can ask around the city tomorrow.
Yushiki is so cute. Oh, and suddenly, oh, I love your design! You're going on my wallpaper. Excuse me, our tavern is closing soon. Do you have a room in the inn? I can show you the way if needed. Excuse me?
Peach.
Peach? We do sort peach buns, but our kitchen is closed for the night. You're welcome to come back tomorrow.
How dare she still be alive?
Miss, huh? She just ran off. I'm sure she'll be happy to see we— Oh, you attacked them! What was that sound effect? She got the skedaddle skedoodle number 1.
I've got to get back to the Great Obscure Umbra. There's so much I need to relay to them. Faster, faster! I have to be the one to tell them. I'm going to be the one to see their satisfied smile. But Peach Cookie is— No! I don't have time for that now. Lady White Peach Cookie, you have returned. Tell the Great Obscure Umbra that I'm requesting an audience immediately. It's urgent.
I like what you've done with the place.
I offer my humble greetings to the Master of the Shadows.
I can't remember if they're a boy, girl, or 9 then. You must have been referred already. I heard you attempted to pass on your message through sound waves a while before you returned.
I simply wish to be the first to tell you, Master.
Dragon orbs. Dragon orbs containing the power of a defeated dragon. One of our informants recently returned with similar tales. Something of a clash between dragons on distant isles that unleashed a tremendous burst of power. Our top priority has always been resurrecting the great Ebony Dragon, so I did not press the matter at the time. Another relayed rumors of strange orb retrieved from the depths of the sea, supposedly because of a powerful underwater maelstrom. I would not have assumed to contain the remnants of a dragon's power.
I apologize. It appears I was not the first to inform you of related matters.
No, but you are the first to relate it to me with such detail. This information will be of much use.
You're too kind, Master.
It has been long since we discovered a method to destroy the seal once and for all. However, those pesky spirit weapons have been hindering our progress. This information has inspired me. Power seeks power, much like the relationship between the Ebony Dragon and I. I should find a way to utilize these dragon orbs to awaken the Ebony Dragon. First, we must get our hands on one.
Leave it to me, Master. I shall travel—
Sorry.
Master, I shall travel to the ends of Earthbread to obtain a dragon orb and deliver it to you.
Who are you now? Do you believe you are capable of such a feat?
Yes, Master. If you so— You like how her voice I've given her has changed like 7 times? If you so desire.
I am not so confident in your abilities, seeing that encountering a mere fragment of your past has already shaken you so. Peach Cookie, was it? I must say, I was not aware there were any further remnants of the peach plant. Ooh! Oh, they're dead. How did you know about that? About her? Do you truly believe there is anything that occurs within this realm that I do not know, my child? You seem to have become lax recently, so I took the liberty of putting you under surveillance. Surely this does not displease you, does it? Of course not, Master. Every decision you make is correct and in the best interests of the great plans. You are doing your job properly. You would have brought all those cookies to me the moment you heard word of the dragon orbs. Is the poison you carry around merely a refreshment for you when you grow thirsty on your journey? I apologize. I have no excuse, Master. This peach cookie, however, she did it. She must be quite powerful to have survived the strawberry jamboree that swept through your plan. She isn't. I am stronger, Master. I was officially named successor of the Peach Clan over her. Then prove it. Bring me a dragon orb. You are so determined to prove your worth to me in the past. As you wish, Master. I shall dedicate every last grain of flour within my dough to fulfill your grand will. Alright. Can I use peach cookie? God damn it! I wanted to use peach cookie! Alright. Well, I think that's a good place to stop for now.